Hi, welcome to UAV Simplified. In this video, we will simplify the science behind how drones fly. Well, one thing I must tell you is that Superman has definitely got it all wrong. It all started a long time ago in a land far, far away, when God decided to tease mankind by planting a tree of the forbidden fruit in the Garden of Eden. I must say, if we are not supposed to eat it, then why make it? Many years later, it was the same devil fruit which fell on the head of one man. This man went on to make the lives of students worldwide a little bit more difficult. Yes, I'm talking about that man. So Newton, in his third law of motion, says something about action and reaction. Basically, what he wanted to say was, if an apple falls on your head, then the apple meets a knife and gets chopped. Well, something like that. Back to being serious. Drones have these fans called propellers. They suck the air from the top and push the air down. As explained by the third Apple law, the air which is pushed down pushes the drone up. See, action-reaction? The same principle is used in a fixed wing plane. The shape of the wing is used to push the air down, and once again the air pushes the plane up. Mr. Newton doesn't stop there. By the same principle, if all the propellers of the drone are rotating in one direction, then the drone itself will rotate in the opposite direction. Hence, the adjacent propellers of a drone are made to rotate in opposite direction, since we want a steady drone and not a spinning disc. I hope you guys have understood the Newton's third law of motion and how it helps a drone to fly. If you still want to experience or understand it better, try chucking an apple at your friend. And let us know what happens in the comments below. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button below to keep encouraging us, and if you want to see more of our work, then hit the subscribe button so that you get notified as soon as our future videos go live.